The catching technique begins with holding the stick between your thumb and forefinger. In order to do the catch movement, we drop the stick between the thumb and the forefinger, saying drop, turn and catch. The forward flourish can also be obtained by doing this movement. We will now look at this from the player's perspective. Drop, turn and catch, drop, turn and catch. And now we'll try both hands together. We will now try beating, swinging on the drum together. Beat 2 3, beat 2 3, beat 2 3, beat 2 3.